welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Comment down below. Smash this subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. It's gonna be over there. And like this video. And if you haven't seen my face before, smash that subscribe button, like this video. And yeah, I'll be getting Sony Xperia 5. And I'll be reacting to YouTube videos too. So yeah.
I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up and watch the money land. I do my money dance. I do my money dance. I jump up on the stage and do my money dance. I throw some money up and watch the money land. I do my money dance.
Yeah, and before we watch this video, do me a big favor. Smash that like button, like this video, and share with your friends and family, and support me more please. I want 100 subscribers before end of this year. That is my goal. At the minute I got 87 subscribers. And please, if you're watching this video, don't unsubscribe this. Don't unsubscribe my YouTube channel. Just stay tuned and I'll be doing awesome content. I'm just started new, and yeah, I started new like 2 years ago, and yeah, I will improve. So yeah, let's watch this video. So getting my reactions. Yeah.
Voices, and I practice my voice every day, and then.
And how many sounds can you do?
It's around 9, 10, 11, but so busy practicing every day.
Okay, that's really good. Give us all your sounds.
That is really good though, making animals sound. I wish I can do that. That's very good. Very clever.
Small puppy.
Where's that dog one that you did just now?
And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed it, smash that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll be putting more content out for you guys out there on YouTube. And there are a lot more videos coming up. It's taking time. At the minute I'm busy with my life, like doing a lot of stuff, like yeah, so I'm getting there, taking time. I'm starting from A, like building from my A, like from the ground, building as the way up at A, like to the Z, and it's like a step ladder, building up like like an aeroplane. And yeah, if you enjoyed that video, smash it. And if you haven't seen my face before, no. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, and peace out.